Hello, everybody. I'm here with a review. I'm still hearing a lot of y'all ask about those uh, laundry scent beads from Dollar Tree. Haven't been able to find them. So, since I couldn't find them, I decided to go on Amazon and start looking over there and see what they had available. So I saw this Snuggle Exhilarations Blue Iris Ocean Breeze. And this is what it looks like. And it does 56 loads. It is 39.5 ounces. It says indulge your senses with Snuggle Exhilaration scent boosters, specifically formulated to deliver long-lasting scent. Okay, now they're telling you to pair the scent booster with Snuggle's liquid fabric conditioner for softness and Snuggle dryer sheets. Look, y'all, I'm not buying all that stuff, okay? Okay? So, it does regular loads, large loads, dissolve completely in all water temperatures. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like inside here. Okay, you're going to see that I use a lot of it, but that's what I have left. I like it, y'all. I really, really like it. It costs more than, I forget how much I paid for it, y'all. I'm always forgetting things, right? But, it has a nice fragrance to it. And I'm going to buy some more. If I can't find my other stuff, I'm going to get this because it has a nice, let's see if I can just try It smells like the Snuggle fabric softener. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. So you can use okay, for regular loads you use one, large loads you use two. Great for all types of clothing, including activewear and sleepwear. So when I saw this, I just took a chance to get it. Y'all, it smells so good. It lasts long in your clothes. And I'm not going to pair this, like they're saying, with all this other stuff because, they're trying to get us to buy all these extra products. But this is a good one, y'all. I like it a lot. And I don't know what other fragrances they have, but I'm willing to try, some other fragrances. And this didn't irritate my skin so far. If it irritates my skin later on, I will let you know. But this is a decent buy here because you're getting 56 in there. So it will last you some time. Go on Walmart. I don't know whether Walmart sells this. If they do, I'm going to list it. I may even list the one from Amazon or wherever I find it. I'm going to list it just in case you can't find it in your area. But go to, try Family Dollar, Try Family Dollar, some of your other stores, and you don't have to order it online. But for, people that want to order online, then I'll list it below if I find it. Okay, so I hope you like this review. This is a great product. I'm a little surprised about it because, I was waiting for my other stuff to come through, my Dollar Tree stuff, and it didn't. So go grab this and use it. And let me know what you feel about these. If you have purchased it before, let me know how you feel about it, okay? So have a great day.